Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel, and today we're just going on a little city spin just out by Ballygunner and Dunmore. There's me. There's a burial ground I think that I've passed a load of times the sign that I've never went up there. So guess what? Today we're going to head up there. See what's up there. Might be nothing, might be something. But that's the way we roll here. So let's go out and let's have a look. And hope you're all keeping well. And I hope you're enjoying what seems to be some part of the summer anyway. And yeah, hopefully you're enjoying the journey. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe as well. You know, it's cool if you subscribe. If you don't, we won't fall out about it, but it'd be nice for you to like the video. If you like the video, it's only a click of a mouse and it's free. So, or a keypad or whatever, you know. So the turn is just up here, I think. Keep an eye out of it for now. There's a church or something like that. Here somewhere, I think it's where that Jeep is going left, funnily enough. No. It's here, see the sign there? Ballygunnertemple burial grounds. Yep. Looking wild roads as usual. Nothing unusual about that. This would be interesting. I've passed this so many times I've never even looked, like went up this way properly. I was going to say I never looked, but I did. Obviously. Yeah, grass in the middle of the road. Fantastic. Interesting to see what's up here actually. Oh, in here. That wasn't far. Should be safe enough in here. I'm going to leave my helmet on the bike and the gloves or whatever. They're just here anyway, so let's have a look. I was meaning to get on the camera more, so now I have the selfie stick, so I said get on it more. So let's have a look in here and see what's here. Okay, so it's a graveyard as well, so I have to be respectful as well. So we're just going to have a look at the ruins over here and see what they're like. But this is the journeys that I end up on in these remote places. But this is only 5 minutes from the city, which is fantastic. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And really, yeah. So already it looks a pretty cool place, and it's just handy out the road. Have a look at the ruins. So enough for my mug for a second. Let's have a look at the ruins. It's weird when you see everything just so all over the place. Okay, that's the stone table, and then you have the headstones there. Oh, it's like a tomb. As well. It's like a tomb. Wow. Wasn't expecting that. As you can see, it's really overgrown. Some sort of cross over there. After some place of blood, John White, 1960. Wow. How do you say? It is. It's different, I'd say. Tombs, that's mad, isn't it? We'll have a walk around here. Yeah, it's strange sometimes the way places are laid out, aren't they? You know, like with the headstones and then the two big tombs there, and it's just left go derelict. It's weird. I always get a weird feeling when I'm in these places. But it's really interesting as well though. So these were the adventures end up bringing me anyway. So yeah, hope you're enjoying the adventure as much as it's a small place, but it's different, isn't it? So let's have a look further around. More headstones, as you can see. Oh, it does cut the place like. $1893. Wow. That's wild. Me of Margaret King, died 18th of October 1893. Wow. Well, 1913. Like someone's obviously cutting this place. It's looked after some way. So forgive me, anybody working on the graves. It's another tomb. Oh look, these are actually probably made for somebody. And it's just there like this, mad. That's a fresh grave over there. Weird. Right, let's have a look around at the rest. I heard that randomly just get there. Strange. Oh. Not a pillar, it's an obelisk. Maybe I'm joking. Is that an obelisk? I'd be kind of like, oh, get the bike in. It's an old shed. I don't know what that is, I'm not going near it, it's not my shed. Booking tables, it's the landscape over there. A few houses over there. One or two houses actually, to be honest. It's somewhere different. There's people definitely come in here anyway. The gate's over there, I didn't even notice the gate over there. Someone brought in their drink with them and left it there. It's really different, isn't it? It's just nothing matches, like, you know? Seems pretty cool. There's an airplane going over the top there, going out for an hour flight for the day. Yeah, so I don't know what to make of this place, but it's kind of mix of weird, cool, and just like confusing. All these things have come in different places, or are in different places and moved, like the table and stuff like that, and loads of other things don't kind of match. But anyway, these are the adventures we go on. We see something, we go off on the bike and we'll take the road, and as dodgy as the road is, sometimes we just keep going. Our gut instinct just tells us to keep going. I don't know why, but anyway. Yeah, so this is the Ballygunner church ruins. I forgot already, and it was only like 5-10 minutes ago. But yeah, it's going to be a little video showing the place where this is up here, and it's just bike adventures. It's probably not fancy, but someone might enjoy it. I've enjoyed coming here because I wanted to see what it looked like, but I don't know what to make of it. So yeah, this video might make it out, it might not, but I think it might be worth posting, because some people might like to see these kind of things and see what they're like, you know. So we'll see. The Bonnie Rebel is okay over there anyway, and yeah, it was worth a wild trip anyway, for sure. Definitely a worthwhile trip. Just curiosity more than anything, I think. So time to head out of here. Might try to find something else, maybe go to the forest in Dunmore or something. I always want to see what that looked like, so we might do that and add it to them into the same video, maybe.